Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem OpenTable points. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've got a Google Doc here of how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is open the OpenTable app on your mobile device and to log in. And then from there, check your points balance. So navigate to your account or profile section. Check your points balance, ensure you have enough points to redeem for rewards. Then from there, find the rewards or points section in your account dashboard. This is typically labeled as points, rewards, or dining rewards. And then just select your reward. So browse through the available rewards options. OpenTable offers various awards such as dining checks, Amazon gift cards, or partner gift cards. Choose a reward that you want to redeem your points for. And then click on the reward you want to redeem. Follow the instructions to confirm your redemption. Make sure you have enough points for the selected reward. If you don't have enough points, you won't be able to complete the redemption. And after successfully redeeming your points, you will receive your reward via email or mail, depending on the type of reward you selected. For dining checks, you will typically receive an email with the dining check details. For gift cards, you may receive a digital code via email or a physical card in the mail. And from there, follow the instructions provided with your reward to use it. For dining checks, present the email or print out when you dine at participating restaurants. For gift cards, enter the code during the checkout process on the partner website or present the card in store.